If you're craving a refined getaway that feels indulgent, these resorts are your ultimate ticket to relaxation and style. Secrets: Maroma Beach, Riviera, Cancun is a stunning adults-only sanctuary that offers an incredible blend of luxury and affordability on one of Mexico's most breathtaking coastlines. Nestled on Maroma Beach, widely recognized as one of the world's most beautiful beaches, the resort delivers white powder sands, crystal-clear turquoise waters, and lush tropical landscaping that create a perfect backdrop for relaxation and romance. What makes this resort stand out is its commitment to providing an all-inclusive luxury experience without the sky-high price tag. Each room at Secrets Maroma Beach is a spacious haven that balances contemporary comfort with subtle Mexican influences, featuring plush bedding, modern amenities, and stunning views of the ocean or gardens. The resort boasts a wide range of suite categories, including swim-out rooms that allow direct pool access, perfect for those who want to immerse themselves in luxury right from their doorstep. Despite its popularity, the resort carefully maintains its peaceful environment by limiting the number of guests and offering plenty of quiet corners and private spaces. Guests are encouraged to explore nearby attractions like the Mayan ruins of Tulum or the vibrant nightlife of Playa del Carmen, but many find it hard to leave the resort's serene beaches and indulgent amenities. Dorado Royale by Karisma is a spectacular adults-only resort located along the pristine Riviera Maya coastline that perfectly balances upscale luxury with an inviting price point, making it a favorite for travelers who want the best without overspending. This resort is renowned for its sophisticated design, featuring spacious suites adorned with Mexican artistry, private pools, and swim-up options that invite guests to enjoy the tropical climate and stunning views. The resort boasts a range of lavish suites that include private terraces, jacuzzi tubs, and personalized butler service for an extra touch of indulgence. Guests are treated to an expansive infinity pool complex, a state-of-the-art fitness center, and a spa offering signature treatments inspired by ancient Mayan healing traditions. What truly sets Dorado Royale apart is its commitment to culinary excellence. The resort features multiple gourmet restaurants serving everything from authentic Mexican flavors to international cuisines, all prepared with fresh local ingredients. Despite the many options, the atmosphere remains peaceful and intimate due to the adults-only policy and the resort's thoughtful layout that emphasizes privacy. Guests can wander through beautifully landscaped grounds, relax on secluded beach spots, or enjoy an evening of live music and cultural performances. Moreover, the resort's location is ideal for those wanting to explore the Riviera Maya's cultural treasures and natural wonders, with quick access to the ancient ruins of Chichen Itza and vibrant local markets. After a day of exploration, returning to the peaceful oasis of Dorado Royale feels like coming home to tranquility and comfort. This resort is an outstanding example of how adults-only properties can provide high-end luxury experiences at prices that make dream vacations more accessible without compromising on style, service, or ambiance. Excellence Playa Mujeres is a jewel along Mexico's northern Riviera Maya coastline, delivering a luxurious adults-only experience that rivals more expensive resorts while maintaining a competitive price point. Set on a white sandy beach facing the Caribbean Sea, this resort's modern Mediterranean-inspired architecture is surrounded by lush tropical gardens and a network of waterways, creating a serene and visually stunning environment. The resort's accommodations are spacious and thoughtfully designed. The resort's adults-only policy guarantees a calm, romantic atmosphere, ideal for honeymoons, anniversaries, or simply a peaceful retreat away from everyday stresses. Located near several natural parks, cenotes, and cultural sites, Excellence Playa Mujeres also invites exploration beyond the resort's elegant grounds. After adventures, returning to the sophisticated tranquility of Excellence Playa Mujeres feels like a reward in itself, making this resort an unbeatable choice for travelers seeking the perfect balance of luxury, affordability, and unforgettable memories. Body Holiday St. Lucia is a unique adults-only resort that masterfully combines luxury and wellness on the picturesque northwest coast of St. Lucia, making it a must-visit for health-conscious travelers who still crave indulgence. Set on a pristine beach backed by lush rainforests and volcanic peaks, the resort is an immersive sanctuary where guests can detox, rejuvenate, and relax in style. What sets the Body Holiday apart is its all-encompassing wellness philosophy that integrates fitness, nutrition, spa therapies, and mindfulness into every aspect of the stay. All included in the price, which makes this resort a remarkable value in the luxury wellness space. The resort offers a vast array of daily fitness classes. Beyond its comprehensive wellness programs, the Body Holiday offers plenty of opportunities to unwind and explore St. Lucia's natural beauty. Guests can kayak through mangroves, hike the nearby Pitons, or simply lounge on the golden sands with a refreshing cocktail in hand. The adults-only environment fosters a peaceful atmosphere ideal for solo travelers, couples, or friends seeking a meaningful escape that nurtures both body and soul. Immaculate Resort Tulum is a hidden gem located in the heart of Mexico's Riviera Maya, offering an adults-only experience that combines bohemian chic with upscale comfort. Tulum itself is a destination famed for its pristine beaches, vibrant culture, and ancient ruins, and this resort captures the essence of the area beautifully. Immaculate Resort's design reflects Tulum's eco-conscious spirit, featuring natural materials, minimalist decor, and open-air spaces that blend seamlessly with the surrounding jungle and sea. The resort manages to feel both intimate and luxurious. Guests can choose from suites with king-sized beds, hammocks on private patios, and bathrooms with rain showers, all equipped with air conditioning and Wi-Fi for convenience. Immaculate Resort's location also invites exploration of Tulum's world-renowned attractions, from the ancient Mayan ruins perched on cliffs overlooking the sea to the mystical cenotes scattered throughout the jungle. Guests can easily balance days of adventure with restful evenings in the serene resort environment. The adults-only policy enhances the sense of exclusivity and calm, ensuring that the resort remains a sanctuary for relaxation. Hotel El Punto Playa del Carmen stands as a beacon of affordable yet sophisticated luxury in the vibrant heart of Playa del Carmen, Mexico. This adults-only boutique hotel offers a fresh, modern take on hospitality, attracting travelers who crave urban energy paired with serene, upscale accommodations. The hotel's rooftop pool and bar provide a stylish setting to relax with panoramic views of Playa del Carmen's skyline and turquoise sea. Playa del Carmen is centered around a gourmet experience that celebrates local flavors and international cuisine with a creative twist. Beyond the hotel, guests have immediate access to Playa del Carmen's renowned attractions, including coral reefs, Mayan ruins, and vibrant street art scenes. The adults-only policy ensures that the hotel remains a quiet retreat amid the city's lively atmosphere, offering a perfect balance for travelers who want to mix excitement with relaxation. Cobalt Hotel Cancun is a boutique adults-only resort that redefines affordable luxury in one of Mexico's most iconic beach destinations. Situated in Cancun's Hotel Zone, this sleek and modern hotel offers a tranquil escape just minutes from the city's vibrant nightlife and stunning beaches. The resort's minimalist design, with clean lines and cool tones, creates a calm and sophisticated atmosphere that contrasts beautifully with the tropical surroundings. Cobalt Hotel Cancun appeals to travelers who seek a stylish, intimate experience without the hefty price tag typically associated with Cancun's upscale properties. Many rooms offer private balconies with views of the Caribbean Sea or the hotel's pool, inviting guests to relax and soak up the sun in privacy. Cobalt's location offers the perfect balance between relaxation and adventure. Guests are just steps away from Cancun's famous beaches, shopping malls, and nightlife hotspots. Yet the hotel's adults-only policy and serene environment provide a peaceful sanctuary away from the crowds. Who says luxury is only for the big spenders? These adults-only resorts show that you can have an upscale, serene vacation experience while keeping costs in check. From stunning pools and gourmet dining to spa treatments and intimate settings, each offers a slice of paradise that's both affordable and absolutely luxurious. So go ahead, treat yourself to a lavish escape without the lavish price.